Right, my dears. Yar, this is Captain Blue over at CGPirates.com. How's it going? Remember to click like and subscribe to the channel if you want to get more videos like these. In the meantime, we have got our imported Megascans asset just here, which is our Icelandic rock. And I will come back to using LODs later because I'm going to have to explain the concept to you. So at the minute, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the highest resolution asset, which is this LOD0. Okay? And I need to make a material first. Now this is very, very easy. All I need to do is right click and make this material. So I'm just going to click on material here, and I'm going to call it, well, this is TBLXE whatever, but let's call it something nice like Icelandic rock 1. And we're calling it 1 because we might get some more. Now if I just double click to open up the material, and here we are. What I can do now is I can just drag my albedo in, and I'm just going to pop that just here, and then I'm going to put in my normal map, and I'm also going to put in my roughness. You'll notice I'm not putting my displacement in at the moment. That's because I will show you how to do the displacement in the next part, because I need to explain what displacement is as well. Okay, so I'm just going to connect my texture sample to my base color, and I'm going to connect my normal to my normal map, so that's my albedo there, remember, and I'm going to connect my roughness just there. Okay, now if I just go around my model, you'll see looking pretty good. But what if I want to see what it looks like on the rock? Well, if I just click on my rock here and then click on this teapot, that will allow me to see what it looks like actually on here. And as you can see, it looks pretty detailed, which is nice, because of course these are all mapped, so it's going to go on properly. Okay, well that looks good, so I'm just going to click save, and that will save my material just here. And then if I just double click on this LOD0, what I can do is I can grab this material here and just drag it into there, and now the material is applied to it. If I hold down Alt on my left mouse button, I can zoom around it and have a good look and just kind of see what I think. Well, you know, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay, so if I close this down now, and I'm just going to drag my rock and pop it there, okay, and then if I hit F, which is the zoom button, we can see it actually in our scene, and it looks quite realistic, which is good. That's what we want. Okay, so we've done some basics, but how about we add a little bit more, okay, because modern computers can do this thing called displacement mapping. So come along with me in the next one and I'll show you how we do that. Until then, remember to ask any questions you want. You can get in touch via the Facebook group, or you can get in touch via Discord, or of course you can shoot me an email via the website. And I look forward to hearing from you real soon. Bye for now.